If you ever wanted to own a gorgeous contemporary home with your own indoor private slide, now's your chance. Located in Prairie Village and just steps away from the popular amenities at the village shops, this home is one of the most visually striking modern builds on this side of town. And as a fan of contemporary architecture, it's a minimalist style that I absolutely love, and the material finishes are spot on. Listed by Andrew Bash and Catherine Lee with Sage Sotheby's International Realty, today we are touring 3906 West 69th Street, right here in the heart of Prairie Village, Kansas. 10 out of 10 walkability with a small park right next door, literally around the corner from some of the best restaurants and shops in town. The foyer is the perfect size with a dramatic 2-story ceiling height, allowing room for a substantial chandelier. The home features 4 bedrooms, a main level office that we just stepped into. Again, super minimalist, but the built-in desk and the floor-to-ceiling windows make all the difference. 4 full bathrooms and 1 half bath, a private 2-car garage with EV charging that we'll see later on. This room also has a walk-in closet, so technically it could operate as an additional bedroom if needed. The home also features 3 fireplaces, just over 5,200 square feet, and is currently available for $1,790,000. There are literally so many good things to see. To my right is the powder room for guests right off of the foyer entry. As we make our way further down, you already know, yes, I think we will be going down that later on in the video. You've got this gorgeous floating stairway design. A lot of windows in this house. The windows are alone one of the most substantial pieces in the entire residence. And behind me is the open bedroom with a drop zone for shoes, bags, and knickknacks. All right, let's check out the 2-car garage, which in my opinion, it is fairly wide and deep, plenty of room for 2 SUVs. You do have the EV charger on the opposite wall, as well as access to the backyard. The residence was originally built in 2017. I must say the exterior landscaping was incredible with all the different greenery, shrubs, bushes, hardscapes. There's a lot to love on the exterior, and we'll see that here in a bit. Fantastic floor plan. All the way back is the massive open kitchen, dining, and main level living space. Large waterfall island with storage underneath. There are impeccable views out back with a lot of natural light that comes in as well. And I must say, the appliances are a chef's dream. Now, these are all Bertazzoni professional grade. They are built to perform. And I feel like in a home like this, with this type of contemporary modern architecture, going with a bold color only makes sense. And I think the orange just pops so well. And Bertazzoni just makes beautiful appliances overall. Now, this particular massive window right in front of us faces east. I imagine the morning light has to be unreal in this house. And of course, in a property like this, your fridge is paneled to match the other cabinets. It just gives it a more elevated, bespoke feel, and there is plenty of storage between the upper and the lower cabinets. 20-foot ceiling height. You can literally feel the difference as you walk through, and it's got a dynamic open plan. Also, these doors open, I believe, as a full slider, bringing the outside in. This is the perfect wet bar moment with a Miele coffee bar as well. You can tell the entire design was so thoughtfully curated and crafted when it was initially built. And welcome to the main level living space, where the ceiling height actually doubles. There's plenty of room to entertain or just relax. Now, before we head upstairs, let's first head out back. I just want to show you how beautiful landscaped it is. Even on a day like this, you can really take everything in. Again, I'm pretty sure these doors open as a full slider, bringing the entire outside in. Now, there's definitely a science to this. You have a built-in outdoor grill. You've got ample green space for kids, for pets. Plenty of privacy, as you can see, and there's enough hardscape for seating too. Overall, I think the material choices are so well curated. All right, we've made it through the entirety of the first floor. Let's now make our way upstairs. Again, this is a 5,200 square foot home. It's not small by any means. As you make your way upstairs to the second floor, you really feel like you're living in a tree house, especially with all the trees filled in. And the views alone are a massive selling point. There are so many interesting moments at various angles on the inside. Now upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, and the hardwoods do follow through. But before we go into any of those, let's turn to my left and head into the large covered deck. This house is all about bringing the outdoors in, and having this additional exterior space does just that. It's screened in to keep the bugs out, let the breeze in though, and is the perfect place during those spring and summer nights. You can hang out, watch TV, just enjoy the sounds of nature. It's a great space. All right, before we keep going, let me just pan back again. I can't get over this view. And this chandelier is really stunning as well. I feel like you can just reach out and touch it. We're going to start off with the primary first. It definitely has the feeling of a true private suite with its own foyer entry. You don't necessarily have to have a massive bedroom. As long as it brings in enough natural light, it'll make it feel bigger, and that's really all that matters here. Plus, these windows do have automatic shades for privacy. Everything feels so bespoke, even the wall of closet storage just behind me that mirrors the kitchen cabinets. I'm not sure if you guys caught that. It also has the convenience of interior auto lighting. And making our way to the other wing of the primary is the washer and dryer closet. And of course, we've got to make our way into the bathroom suite itself. Overall, it feels like a spa. You've got these large form tiles, you've got a freestanding tub, a 0-entry shower, you've got a semi-private water closet that you're going to see right here. The ambiance feels very peaceful and tranquil, and the floors are heated, plus you do have additional closet storage. One thing that this house does so well from when it was built is it features different living areas on each level of the home. And this 3D art installation in this room that we're in now is one of my favorites. It opens to the main foyer entry and could serve many purposes. Now, before we continue, let's get into these huge sliding doors. They feel very substantial and are very heavy. I'd say something like these or pocket doors are a great way to save on space. Further down the hall are bedrooms 2 and 3. Now what's interesting is they do connect. I think that is by design, but each of them does feature its own private bathrooms and closet spaces. I think if you wanted to paint them a different color, you could easily do so. This room in particular has a really nice set of built-ins, great for books, art, you name it. And then here is where they connect. Again, I thought it was just an interesting concept on how it was designed, but overall both of the rooms are very spacious. And then here is the private ensuite for bedroom number 3. What's up? It does have a large walk-in shower. Great amount of space, privacy. These 2 rooms in particular are well designed for kids, and that pretty much makes up the entire second floor. Now, while I could take the stairs going down, I kind of want to take the slide, and I think even at 6'5", it was still big enough to do so. All right, let's do it. Hey. Honestly, I think that might have been the quicker route. It certainly was more fun. In the lower level, it's almost 1,800 square feet of finished space. It features multiple living areas, plenty of storage, gorgeous polished concrete floors, an additional kitchen space that you're going to see here shortly. Bedroom number 4 is down here, and it also has its own private bath. From the exterior, it may not look that big, but it's got a great flow and layout on the inside. Again, this is 3906 West 69th Street in Prairie Village, Kansas. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, just over 5,200 square feet and priced just under $1.8 million. Follow along for more incredible homes, and I'll see you on the next one.